Take a ride in the 2022
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.